In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the current date or time in Google Sheets using shortcut keys. This is a handy trick that can save you time and effort when you're working on a spreadsheet, especially if you often need to input the current date or time. Instead of typing it manually, we can utilize specific keyboard shortcuts designed for this purpose. Let's dive straight into the process. It's wonderfully simple and can significantly streamline your workflow. When it comes to entering the current date, you can do this with ease using the shortcut Ctrl plus colon. Let me show you how it works. Open your Google Sheets, click on the cell where you'd like the current date to appear, and press Ctrl along with the colon key. Instantly, the current date shows up right in the cell you've selected. It's as seamless as that, eliminating the need to type out the date manually. Now, what if you need to insert the current time instead? Google Sheets has a shortcut for that too, and it's just as easy to implement. For the current time, you'll be using the Control key plus Shift and colon. Again, go ahead and click on the cell where you'd like the current time to be displayed. Once you're ready, hold down the Control and Shift keys, then tap the colon key. And there you have it. The current time appears right in the cell instantly. With both the date and time now displayed, you might want these entries formatted to suit your preference or the requirements of your document. Fortunately, Google Sheets offers a variety of formatting options. You can format the date or time nearly any way you'd like, whether you prefer a month-day-year arrangement or a more complex timestamp that includes the day of the week. It's all possible with a few clicks. To format, simply select the cell or cells containing your date or time data, head over to the Format menu at the top of your screen, choose Number, and then click on Date or Time, depending on which you've entered. You'll find a list of formatting styles allowing you to select the one that best fits your needs. And that, my friends, is how simple it is to enhance the functionality of your spreadsheets by inserting the current date and time using shortcuts in Google Sheets. By using these straightforward shortcuts, not only do you save time, but you also reduce the likelihood of errors associated with manual entry. So next time you're working on a project that requires date or timestamps, remember this handy trick to keep your data flowing efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy spreadsheeting.